Hi, I'm Irish Kevin. I'm going to show you how to install these in-wall speakers. Before cutting the hole, make sure you know where you want the speakers to be. You don't want them at about ear level, and you want them to look good on the wall, and you want them to be symmetrical with the TV. So I just use regular pieces of paper, just kind of put them up there to see where I like it, and this is what I decided. So this is your template. I've already measured the height. All right, and use this template to draw where you're going to cut the hole. Perfect. We're going to cut our first hole right here, which I can use this, or, yeah. This one pushes through the wall just the same. Now don't forget to put in a wood screw here, and the reason for that is so you don't lose this piece into the wall. You can just grab it like a handle when you're done cutting. Boom. And luckily, no wires back there. We have the hole in the wall where the speaker's going. I just need to drill a couple of holes to run the wire. One's going that way for the subwoofer. Speaker wire is going to go that way, and the subwoofer wire will come through here too. I'm going to do it down here. So now I got to go into the wall and make another hole. How to protect myself from myself. Gonna noose it up with this rope so that if I drop it, I can retrieve it. Fortunately, I won't be able to film it, so I'll show you the results when we're done. All right, results of the holes. Now, sideways. There we go. And we fish it through. Fish, fish, fish. Here comes the wire. All right, we have successfully pulled the subwoofer wire and right speaker wire. Boom, and there it is. Tighten these bad boys. All right, that's where we're going to start it. Here's the mess from the last project. Here's phase 2. So what I mean by the last project, it was to put all the infrastructure in that you see here. But I went a little overboard. I added Ethernet jacks because it was the fastest of the speeds compared to wirelessly, especially if you don't have the latest and greatest fastest equipment. I also added 2 more coax. Currently one is for cable, one is for digital TV, and hey, I got a spare. Balls. 4 little holes on each side.
Okay, those little white wires you see hanging out, those will go to the speakers that are out on the patio. They will be tied into the patch bay. That's all coming out.
All right, let's check out the fit. Upside up. Perfect. And level. All right, kids. Now we have a nice new little toy we're gonna play with. This sucker right here. There's a little scope. I'm gonna stick it in the wall. And we're gonna have a look around. See what we got.
All right, as I mentioned, the little white wires are for the outdoor speakers. The other wires you see are for the surround speakers.
What we're gonna do. These are gonna be the outside speakers. Right, left, front speakers, left, front speakers, surround, surround. Awesome. All right, here we go. We're gonna do the outside speakers. And we have red, black. So this wire here, I don't know if you can see it, but that one has a little red line on it. We're gonna connect that to the red. I'm gonna stick it in here through the hole, and then it comes out this other little hole over here, and then we screw it down. All right, there we go. Where's my stupid pencil? Okay, very important. Before cutting the hull. Very important. Before you bought. All right. You know what? Screw that. Do it again.
It's Chris Evans' home.
Answer. Alexa, answer. Hello?
And now for the exciting watch the paint dry part of the video. And why do I have this, you ask? Well, I did have to cut a little hole in the wall so that I could fish the wire from the speaker over to the patch bay because I had to go through 2 sets of studs to get there.
Doing this with a brush so that I don't roll off all of the texture that I put on here. Find the results to be better. And poof, coat 1 done. Just a little touch-ups because it's textured and some of the white is still coming through. All right, there it is, the finished product. You cannot tell where I put the hole in the wall. It was right here. No, maybe it was over here. Maybe it was here. Well, shit, it was up here. Yep, you can't tell. And that's that.